SSC CGL full concept question. A shopkeeper marks a product 40% above the cost price. He then gives a discount of 20% on the marked price. If the final selling price is 960 rupees, find the cost price, marked price, and profit percentage. Pause the video and try solving this. Now let's solve step by step. Assume the cost price is 100x. The marked price will be 40% more than cost price. So marked price becomes 100x plus 40x, which is 140x. Now a discount of 20% is given, so selling price becomes 140x minus 20% of 140x. That is 140x minus 28x, which equals 112x. We are given that selling price is 960, so 112x equals 960. Solving this, x equals 8.57. Now cost price is 100x, which equals 857 rupees. Marked price is 140x, which equals 1,200 rupees. Now calculate profit. Profit equals selling price minus cost price. 960 minus 857 equals 103. Profit percentage equals profit divided by cost price into 100. That is approximately 12%. So the final answers are: cost price is 857 rupees, marked price is 1,200 rupees, and profit is 12%. Like and subscribe for more SSC concept videos.